Question number 1. The tube in a tube plane is not present in Tinea, Pheretima, Leech, Ascaris. So correct answer is option 3. Leech does not show tube within tube body plane. Question number 2. Schizocilic type of coelom is present in the Protochordata, Echinodermata, nematodes, annelids. So correct answer is option 4. Annelids have schizocilic coelom in which coelom is formed by the splitting of mesoderm. Question number 3. Maximum diversity is found in which phylum? Chordata, Arthropoda, Protozoa, Annelida. So correct answer is option 2. Arthropoda have maximum diversity of organisms. Question number 4. The organ of defense present in paramecium is nematocyst, oocyst, sporocyst, trichocyst. So correct answer is option 4. Trichocyst is an organ of defense in paramecium. Question number 5. The classification of phylum Porifera is based on canal system, spicules, shape of conocytes, ascocytes. So correct answer is option 2. The classification of phylum Porifera is based on presence of spicule as well as composition of spicules. Question number 6. C. anemone belongs to the phylum Porifera, Cnidaria, Echinodermata, Protozoa. So correct answer is option 2. C. anemone belongs to class Anthozoa of phylum Cnidaria or Coelenterata. Question number 7. Common name of fungia is mushroom coral, red coral, brain coral, organ pipe coral. So correct answer is option 1. The common name of fungia is mushroom coral. Question number 8. Which class exhibits polymorphism? Hydrozoa, Scyphozoa, Cranidia, Gastropoda. So correct answer is option 1. Hydrozoa show polymorphism in which polyp and meiosis stage alternate with each other during the life cycle. Question number 9. Primary host in the life history of Fissiola is pig, sheep, man, snail. So correct answer is option 4. Snail is a primary host or definitive host of in the life history of Fissiola hepatica. Question number 10. Miracidium is found in the life history of Leech, Ascaris, Tinea, Fasciola. So correct answer is option 4. Miracidium is found in the life history of Fasciola or लीवर फ्लो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें. Question number 11. Powerful suckers for attachment are found in Tinea, housefly, earthworm, mosquito. So correct answer is option 1. Tinea solium have powerful suckers that help in attachment to the substrates. Question number 12. Syncytial epidermis is a salient feature of Ascaris, tapeworm, Amphioxus, opalina. So correct answer is option 1. Syncytial epidermis or multilayered epidermis is present in Ascaris. Question number 13. Botryoidal tissue are found in Hirudinaria, Aphrodite, Chytopteris, Lumbricus. So correct answer is option 1. Botryoidal tissue is present in Hirudinaria and it helps in excretion. Question number 14. Paleomon belongs to which phylum? Crustacea, Insecta, Arthropoda, Mollusca. So correct answer is option 1. Paleomon or crab belongs to phylum Crustacea. Question number 15. Respiratory pigment in insects is hemoglobin, cytochrome, hemocyanin, none of these. So correct answer is option 4. Respiratory pigments are absent in insects and oxygen is directly transported by means of trachea. Question number 16. Which are the exclusively marine mollusks? Gastropods, pelecypods, cephalopods, scaphopods. So correct answer is option 4. Scaphopods are exclusively marine mollusks. Question number 17. Ospharedia function as chemoreceptor, thermoreceptor, olfactory receptor, excretory organ. So correct answer is option 3. Ospharedia present in mollusk and they function as olfactory receptor. Question number 18. Class of Echinodermata that is having Pluteus larva, Holothroidea, Echinoidea, Asteroidea, Ophiuroidea. So correct answer is option 2. Echinoidea, in which sea urchin is present, they have Pluteus larva. Question number 19. Animals which respire by respiratory tree belongs to mollusk, protocardate, Echinodermata, Proterospongia. So correct answer is option 3. Echinoderms, especially Holothroidean, they respire through respiratory tree. Question number 20. Int amoeba is a member of which class? Sporozoa, Sarcodina, Protozoa, Calcarea. So correct answer is option 2. इंट अमेबा इज़ अ मेंबर ऑफ सार्कोडिना. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गन ऑफ हार्डमानिया इज़ प्रोटोनेफ्रिडिया, सुप्रान्यूरल ग्लैंड, selenocytes, metanephridia. So correct answer is option 2. Supranural gland is a excretory organ of Hardmania which is present in urochordates. Question number 22. Which of the following animal is sessile? Blanoglossus, Hardmania, Amphioxus, Petromyzon. So correct answer is option 2. Hardmania is a member of subphylum Urochordata and it is a sessile animal. Question number 23. Operculum absent round the gill slits in Dipnoi, Osteichthyes, Chondrichthyes, Holocephalus. So correct answer is option 3. Chondrichthyes have no operculum. Question number 24. Kidney of Pisces for excretion is holonephric, protonephric, mesonephric, metanephric. So correct answer is option 3. Mesonephric kidney is present in Pisces or fishes for excretion. Question number 25. The migration of fishes from sea water to river is known as anadromous, catadromous, migration, locomotion. So correct answer is option 1. The migration of fishes from sea water to the river is anadromous, while from river to the sea is known as catadromous. Question number 26. The group of limbless amphibian is Gymnophiona, Anura, Urodela, none of these. So correct answer is option 1. The limbless amphibians are present in order Gymnophiona. Question number 27. One of the following is an arboreal amphibian: Rana, Buffo, Rhacophorus, Pipus. So correct answer is option 3. Rhacophorus is a flying frog and it has arboreal adaptation. Question number 28. Which animal belongs to order Chelonia? Alligator, turtle, snake, lizard. So correct answer is option 2. Turtle belongs to order Chelonia. Question number 29. Flightless fast-running birds are included in Neognathi, Paleognathi, Impeni, Odontognathi. So correct answer is option 2. Fastest and flightless birds are present in superorder Paleognathi. Question number 30. The order of vertebrate which include bats, Proboscidea, Chiroptera, Metatheria, Monotremata. So correct answer is option 2. Chiroptera is the order of mammals which include bats.